Okay, so here's what I have so far. Yeah, I do apologize. This is probably going to be a really short video because, as you can see, I still don't have any lights in here. I've been working with Sam all day today, kind of figuring out my baking. For some reason, yeah, I thought I was doing things correct, but I had some things that were unchecked and just didn't have everything set up completely. But I've been working with Sam. I've got some really good ideas on where I want to go. Just haven't had time today to completely rebake the lights out so that it's looking all right. But yeah, so I've got everything back in here. I am working on a new texture for the ground as because you guys said it was blurry. I'm looking into tileable textures and I've been working on one, as well as the walls. I was getting a little bit of artifacts with the lights and when I was baking before. Yeah, and then as well as up here. Well, I don't know if I'll actually change this up here because you actually never see it. You don't actually go up there, so probably won't spend too much time on this if I don't have to. And then, yeah, so like I said, right now I just barely got everything set up with multiple UV maps so that they can have the light maps and get baked on there, and then just haven't had enough time to bake it today before I shoot or before I record this video. So I'm really sorry. Thank you so much for being patient with me, but planning to get this all looking good by tonight. My plan is to bake after classes are over so that my computer can just do that. Anyways, yeah, that's it for the video for today, and thank you.